lot of you are born here, right, kiddos? When is the Independence Day for America, Rohan? Okay, from where they got the independence from? India was under them. United States was also under them. But they will never give significance to British. Have you ever spoken to any United States people as to Independence Day? They will never talk about we got independence from so and so. But we always say we got independence from England. And when they left, go to the history and read this. When they left, English left United States, immediately United States cancelled all the cultural thing that they enforced. They completely eradicated that. And they changed the names of what they gave, although the names are the same, they changed a little bit. The places they named completely changed because they do not want any trace of them. But in Bharat, we always cling on to the same names that English has given. Because we could not eradicate. See, that is the problem. When they came to India, they took over India, they named several, completely changed names. You know why? They want to eradicate our culture. They want to take away our knowledge, so they cut off all our names. They named differently, even Mughals. They named all the places. Hanuman Nagar to Himayat Nagar. What is that? Ahmedabad to something else, I forgot. Even Hyderabad, Bhagyanagar to Hyderabad. All of these places were being changed, but we still have those names. Americans, they eradicated. Indians, we did not. That is a problem with us. We still hang on to Mughal rules. In Hyderabad, if you go to Telangana, so many places are still Muslim names. I don't understand. What happened to your ancestry? They wiped away your history. Don't you want to get back your history? We never did. We never wanted it. Because our priorities are screwed up again. Our priority is not about our history or ancestry. Our priority is to get a good college for my kid. Get good house. Get a good car. That is it. If you do not go back to your roots, you will become no one very soon. Very soon. You go back to roots. When you go to America, by law you can become an American. But by cultural roots, you should always have touch with where you come from. Follow the laws of the road, because in India you drive on the left. You cannot drive on the left here. Obviously you have to follow the rules of the law. But you won't become a Christian, would you? Would you become a Christian? Why? That's not you, right? You will still drive right side in America, right? You come to America, you still drive on the right side, not the left side. But you won't become a Christian, would you? But a lot of our guys, they say, oh, when you have to become a Roman when you are Rome. They follow this proverb. And I ask them, what do you mean by that? When you come to US, you follow the rule of the law. That is correct. But you won't become a George, would you?